Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to Mini Monday, where today, normally, I would be painting these two miniatures right here, but, yeah, I don't think we're going to paint those today. Today is going to be a short video. I wanted to show something. This is a video, this is a mini I painted for an up-and-coming D&D campaign I'll be doing, and I just kind of want to showcase it. Let me zoom in here to get some better detail on them. I got this guy from, I think it's Titan 4's Minis. I'll put a link down below. I got it from my mini factory, but I was having a lot of trouble getting it to print because these, now they put out pre-supported minis, and I like pre-supported minis most, but this particular model set, they weren't pre-supported, so I had to support them myself, and I'm still not all that great at it. You can kind of see where some of the areas where it didn't really come out perfect, but down here in the shield, it's definitely not a perfect print, but I think that he painted up fantastic. This is a dwarf I'll be using. He's a paladin. He's gonna be a sentinel paladin, but I love that shield. Look at that shield there. Came out really great. A friend of mine told me to put the gold trim all around him. I came up with using the blue, put a little bit of highlights on him. I just went with a simple gray stone base. Nothing too crazy. I know sometimes I do black bases. Sometimes I do. If we look here, sometimes I just do them, just straight up black. Sometimes I give them a little bit of something on the bottom, and even sometimes I, add some flocking and then try to color up the blocks individually sometimes. But this one was an easy one. Just put a little bit of gray stone. I figured, just keep it simple, make the base easy. That way you can finish the mini. Black bases are okay, and so are just a little bit of gray. I mean, it doesn't have to be anything crazy. Just some thicker sand, some coarser sand, and then a little bit of gray paint. And when I put the wash on, I put a Agrex Earthshade all over them, and I made sure to get it down there on the gravel too after I used the gray and dry brushed it a little bit. That way now, if you look really close, you can probably see there's a little bit of almost like a muddy tone to it, and I think it came out decent. It didn't come out great, but it came out good enough for the mini itself. But yeah, this is just a short video. I wanted to showcase the mini that I painted. I thought he's pretty cool. I'll put some glamour shots at the very end. But I hope everybody's having a good time, staying safe, staying healthy. And until the next video, I'll see everyone later. Peace out.